today we are going to solve CodeChef Starters 95 Division 4 fourth problem, that is Alt Tab. So here is the problem. Gigi got bored and started to reopen some programs on his computer. By reopening a program, we mean that the program was previously opened, wasn't closed in the meantime, and is brought into attention again. So there is a person Gigi who is opening and reopening some programs on his computer, and reopening means that the program is not closed, it is reopened again. Okay, after a while Gigi wants to know the order in which the programs show up if he were to press Alt Tab. So basically Alt Tab is a shortcut which uh, shows the programs which is running. Okay, uh, so if Gigi wants to know the order in which the programs show up, if he, okay. Now that the Alt Tab function displays a list of all unique active programs where the most recently opened or reopened program occupies the top of the list. Okay. So Alt Tab function displays uh, programs like that. The most recent program is on the top of the list. Okay, so if Alt Tab is pressed, then most recent program is on the top, and the second most recent program is on the bottom of the top one. Okay, so given that Gigi reopened n programs where the name of the ith program is denoted by SI. So there are total n opened programs in which each programs has name string SI. Find the order in which the programs are displayed when pressing Alt Tab. So we have to print that after pressing Alt Tab, in what manner the programs are displayed. To keep the output dimensions small, you must print only the last two characters. Okay, we have to print only the last two characters of each program. Okay, so let's check the logic behind this problem. So we are given some programs. Uh, the program is this one. This is the program which is opened from first to second. Like firstly Nautilus is opened, then Firefox is opened, then Gedit is opened, then Firefox is reopened, then Nautilus is reopened, then Wine is opened, then GIMP is opened, then Terminal is opened, then Wine is reopened. Okay, so we will solve like this. We have to print the most recent program on the first and the second most recent program on the second. So firstly we will put all these programs in one stack. What is the property of stack? The property of stack is LIFO, that is last in first out. That is, we will put all the strings in the stack, and the last string is the most recent string. That is, the last program is the most recent program. In the last input program is the most recent program. Okay, so firstly we have pushed Nautilus in the stack. So Nautilus is at the bottom. Then we will push Firefox. Then Firefox is on the top of Nautilus. Then Gedit we have pushed in the stack. Then Gedit is on the top of Firefox, and so on. So at the top of stack, Wine is present. Okay, which is the most recent program. So we have to print the last two characters of each program. And if the programs are reopened, then we have to print only its single time. Like Wine is present two times, then we have to print only the most recent one, that is the first one, not the second one. Okay, so how we will print this? So we will check. Firstly we will apply stack.top function, then we will get Wine, and After getting this, we will put it in an a set. What is the property of set? Set stores unique elements or unique characters or strings. Anything but only unique number of time, means only single time. So we will check wine, means we will check that string in the set. If we will find the string in the set, then we will not print it. And if we will not find this string in the set, then we will print it. So firstly, we have taken wine. Okay, we will check firstly that this string is in the set or not. So clearly this string is not in the set. So we will print any. Okay, last two digits of this. Then we will put this string in this set. So our new set becomes like this, wine. Okay, now we will go for, we will pop it from the stack. Now the second string is terminal, this one. The second string is terminal. So we will again check the terminal in the set. If it is present, then we will not print it. If it is not present, then we will print it. So terminal is not in this set, so we will print it. And after printing it, we will put it in the set and pop back from the stack. So we will print it in the set terminal. Okay, now we will go for the third one, GIMP. It is a, we will check it is also not in the set, so we will put it in the set GIMP, and we will print it, and we will pop back from the stack. Now the fourth one is wine. So we will check that if wine is present in the set or not. So here wine is present. So if wine is present, then we will not print it, and also we will not uh, we will okay, we, it is it doesn't matter if we will insert it in set again or not, but we will insert it, then wine again will be present. So what is our up to this much, what is our output? So our output is NEAL, then MP. NE is from wine, AL is from terminal, and MP is from GIMP. And then again wine is present, then we will not print any wine. Now we will check Nautilus. Nautilus is not present in the set, then we will put it here, Nautilus, Nautilus, and we will print it here, Nautilus, last two digits, and we will pop it from here. Now we will check Firefox. Firefox is not present in set, then we will insert here Firefox, Firefox, and we will print the last two digits of Firefox, that is aux, and we will pop it back. Next is gedit. Gedit is also not in the set, so we will put here gedit. We will print the last two digits of gedit, and we will pop the gedit. Now again Firefox. So Firefox is in the set, so we will not print the last two digits of Firefox, and we will pop it from here. Now again Nautilus. So Nautilus is also in the set, so we will not print the last two digits of Nautilus, and we will pop it from here. So now our stack is empty, so our final output is this one. So what is our final output? Our final output is N E A L M P U S O X I T. This is our final answer. So let's check the code. So what we have done, we have declared two things. First thing is a stack for storing all the inputs, and second thing is set for checking. So there are total 9 strings. So we have taken input n, c in n, then we have declared one stack st, and if we have uh, we have put here one check that if n equal to 1, that is only one string is present, then directly print the last two digits, means last two characters, that is s of s dot psi minus 2, s of s dot psi minus 1, if only one program RO is opened. But if n is not equal to 1, that is there are many number of programs which are open, then we will go in this else condition, and then we will take the input of all the nine strings. That is, we have taken input of all the 9 strings and we have put it in the stack, that is st, this one. Now we have declared one set, unordered set here, and we have make one while loop. In that while loop, what is the condition? That is up to stack, our stack no is not empty, we will continue our, that is we will run our while loop. Up to how much we will run our while loop? Up to that much that our stack is not empty. So not stack dot empty. Okay, this is the syntax. Now in this while loop we will check that if our top element, if our this top element of stack is in the set, then we will not print the last two characters, and if it is not there, then we will print. So if this st.top is not there in the set, this aman is our set, so in aman, if we will find st.top equal to aman.end, this means that if this is where if this is not present, if this string is not present in the set, then it will return set dot end iterator. Means if any element is not present in the, if any element is not present in the set, then it will return set dot end iterator. Okay, so we will put it in the check that if our st dot top is aman dot end, that our iterator of top element is dot end, then we will print the last two characters, that is st dot top dot psi minus 2 and st dot top dot psi minus 1. Okay, but if our st dot top is, if our st dot top is not aman dot end, that is if there is some iterator, there if there is some iterator which is present for some string, then we will not print it. Okay, and after checking, we will pop it back from the stack. So we will, after checking, we will insert it in the, insert that string in the set, and we will pop it back from the stack. This for loop will run, and then we will print cout and del. So this is our code. So the basic thing is that we have to check for every string that it is present in this set or not. If it is present in this set, then do not print it. If it is not present in this set, then print it and insert it in this set and pop back from the stack. This is the basic logic of this problem. So I hope you understand all of you understand this problem. If you have further any doubt, then you can ask in the comment section. We will try to solve your doubt. Thank you.